Practical lighting is one of the most important things in set dressing. Not only are you getting usable light from lights that are in the background of a scene, but they also add different depth and emotion to whatever is going on. We use them even in our studio as more accents, but they can have other purposes as well. The only issue with practical lighting like this is that it is extremely bright. In fact, even on a cinema camera with tons of dynamic range, this is completely blown out and ruins the shot. It distracts from the overall neutral lighting with something that is very, very bright. It takes away from the subject and is distracting. We cannot get back that, even though we have lots of dynamic range on this camera, because it's just way too bright. So in this video, I want to show you this right here. This is a lamp dimmer, and it is the best thing you can possibly get for practical lighting in a set. So the idea behind this is really simple. Take a normal light that may be too bright for what you want to do, or might even be overexposed in the camera, and make it darker. There's a couple ways you can do this. You can get specific bulbs that are dimmable. You can get other smart plugs that can do something like that. But this is the cheapest and easiest way that I found you can actually dim any light. Does not matter what it is. It works every single time, and it is really cool. So this is by Leviton. It's under $20, and what it does is you have an outlet on this side and a plug on the other, which you plug your light into. That goes down to your outlet, and then we just have this remote right here. From this, we can control brightness, and we can even turn the light off. So let's go ahead and plug this in, see how it works. So all we do is take our light, plug it into here, and then we take this and plug this into the outlet. And now we have a remote in hand. We turn the light on, and it is the exact same brightness as before. So we take this remote and we can dim it and make it very, very dark. In fact, we can even turn it completely off. So you don't even need to do it here. You can turn it off from here. In fact, it is so dim that you can actually stare at it and see the filaments in this Edison bulb, which is really cool. We can make it brighter and even put it to a point that it does not get overexposed. And it works really well. You can do some cool things with it, and it looks great. It's nice that this remote is kind of off to the side, so you don't have to reach down or anything. You can really easily control the brightness and adjust it to how you need it. And best of all, this light gets really hot. So by adjusting the brightness with this remote right here, it's not hot at all. So it's really great. This was just a really quick video showing you this product right here, the lamp dimmer. We've used this in one video already, and it worked really great. So I was just so excited when I saw this, and I want to share it with you. So let me know what you think. If you have any other accessories that you recommend, and if you like this video, leave a like, hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark at Tech, and I will see you in the next one.